Okay, so today we're going to be changing out the hazard light warning switch on this Citroen C1. It's the same as Toyota Aygo or the Peugeot 107. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the selector switch for the fan speed. So I've got a trim removal tool here. That's not as blunt as a screwdriver. Just going to gently get it into the top of the switch here and just try and remove this knob. You'll see there's a little cutout just where the number 1 selection is for the fan speed. Just take that out. Next thing we need to do is we need to undo this Phillips screw just here, so we'll go ahead and take that out now. Okay, now that's done, we're going to take our trim removal tool and we're going to gently just ease out this trim. Again, I try to use this tool because it's a bit more blunt and it's designed specifically for removing trims. So we'll just ease that out very gently, go around, and you'll feel it start to go. There we go, let's loosen out the bottom. Probably just gently pull that off with my hands. Let's have a look. A bit hard to do these things one-handed. Give it a tug. And there we go. And then the panels come off the radio, etc. And you can see the switches behind. And there's 4 tags. We're going to push all those tags in and then disconnect the plug off the back and push that switch forward so it comes out the front. You can see there, nice and easy, out comes the switch with the plug on the end. Push down this tab here and put off the plug. So here's my new switch. There's the Euro Carparts part number, current at the time, and we just reinstall it in a reverse way. So connect the switch up and then we're just going to push the whole unit back into the hole and push it till you feel it click into place. Like that. That's working, as you can hear. And then we just gently push the panel back in by pushing the top in first, like so. Then the bottom, give it a bit of a push. We'll go. There we go, one side and the other side. Put our Phillips screw back on again and then put our selector knob back on, and that's it, we are done. Thanks for watching.